Alright, with these next few, we're going to work on order of operations and dealing with square roots. So now, let's look at this problem. It says the square root of 25 plus 144. Now, order of operations says that the square root acts like a grouping symbol. So it's as if there are parentheses there. It acts like a big parenthesis. So if we follow order of operations, it says we have to work what's underneath the radical first. So we have to add the 25 plus the 144 to get 169. Then we can take the square root of 169. And if you have your sheet listed out with all your perfect squares, then it's very easy to go backwards from that. Otherwise, you'll need to use your calculator. And the square root of 169 is 13. So our final answer would be 13. Now, you might think that this problem and this problem are the exact same thing, but they are not. So let's look at this one. This one says we're to take the square root of 25 and then add that to the square root of 144. So we need to do these individually because they have individual square roots. So the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 144 is 12. When we add those together, we get 17. Now this is a very important concept to get because later on we're going to be working with more square roots, and students are always tempted when they see an addition underneath a radical just to want to break up that square root, and that is not true. You can see from this example that you get two different things. You have to work by order of operations. Alright, lastly, here we have a pretty ugly looking example, but here again we're going to do this one part at a time. So this literally says 5 times, and then the square root of 16 over 25. Well, remember, we could rewrite that as the square root of 16 over the square root of 25. Minus the square root of 144. And then let's take it one part at a time again. So here, that was a multiplication symbol. So here we have 5 times the square root of 16 would be 4 over the square root of 25 would be 5 minus the square root of 144 is 12. And now we just continue with order of operations. So when we multiply and divide by the same number, those cancel because it's a 1. And so we have 4 minus 12, which will give us a negative 8. So our final answer there is negative 8.